How to collaborate on tasks with team members in Todoist. Collaborating on tasks with team members in Todoist is designed to be simple and efficient. And in this video, I will show you a step-by-step guide on how you can help you and your team work together seamlessly. So, welcome to another tutorial. The first step is to sign in or log in into your account. Once you're signed in and you're brought to the inbox page, you'll see all of your taxes here being displayed, right? And then by the left side of the screen, you can see options like share, a search, inbox, today, upcoming, filters and labels, etc. So as you can see all of this, next step is move to the left side of the screen and then join a team or create your team. Okay, if you don't have a team, the first thing you will do is to create a team by clicking on the plus icon in here. Once you click on the plus icon, you can see add project, and your project can serve as your team, and then you can see invite members. That is, you can add team members to collaborate with. If you don't have team members, you can just click on invite team members to add team members. Then once you are done, just click on the team to open up the team. So once the team has been opened up, the next step here is to go ahead and assign tax. All right. So if you have no tax available, the next step is to create and assign new tax. And how can you do this? By moving to the right side of this team box and then click on add. And then here you can just click on add project. Then you have to type out the name of the project. So it could be video production. That's the project your team is trying to collaborate on. And then you can select the color, you can select full access, then you can select the kind of view you want. For this full access, check it. You can ensure you can restrict it or make it full access or whatever you want. And then click on add. Another clicking on add, you can see this is the project under your team. So once you have this project created, the next thing is to assign tax. So under video production, we have different minor taxes. So you have to create a tax first, and then what will be this tax name? It could be getting a location. So you can just give title location, and then you can give a little description about the tax. Okay, so it could be how a convenient or a coffee location, and then you can also click on save and move to the right side of the screen. Then you assign this tax to your team members. All right, so just click on add, and then you can now assign the people or invite them to the project. Okay, and then you can copy the link. Whoever clicks on the link will be added as a collaborator, or you can just add people by their um typing out their email directly, and whenever they accept this, there would be a collaborator with you on the site or on your account. Okay, so click on invite, and then the tax has been assigned to that particular person. You keep on adding your tax and then keep on assigning as many people as you want. And then you can also restrict permission. Like I said, you can make sure they have full access or restricted access depending on what you want. And then once you're done, you can just go ahead, set out other projects, set out other things you want to do, and wait for it to be wait for your team members to accept the invitation, and then you can now go ahead to carry out other duties. So this is basically how you can collaborate with your team members on your Todoist account. I hope the tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.